iPhone users are furious as iOS 26 is breaking autocorrect, turning perfectly typed words into total nonsense. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Since the release of iOS 26, iPhone owners around the world are complaining that their keyboards are acting completely unreliable. Typing, which was once effortless, has now become a daily headache, with autocorrect rewriting normal words into gibberish, missed taps, lagging keys, and the spacebar randomly changing punctuation. A Reddit thread titled, "It's not just you, the iOS keyboard is broken," has blown up, drawing over 600 comments from frustrated users sharing their struggles. People are reporting that sentences that look fine while typing suddenly transform one sent, leaving them confused and annoyed. One user said they initially blamed themselves only to realize the keyboard was to blame. Another explained that the iPhone keyboard, which was once excellent, has gone downhill with every update. The issues aren't limited to texting apps. Safari seems to be making things worse too. Changes to the search bar keyboard layout have thrown off muscle memory for many users, making the keyboard feel like it's falling apart rather than improving. Even with iOS 26.2 Beta 3, there's no sign that Apple tried to fix the autocorrect problems. Users are demanding a fix, with one writing, "The next software update should 100% be focused on fixing the keyboard. The iPhone keyboard is important for everyday use, and with autocorrect acting up, many users are frustrated. Social media is full of complaints, and Apple needs to fix it before it ruins the experience for millions." This is becoming one of the biggest software headaches for Apple in years, and users aren't holding back. Have you ever been annoyed by autocorrect? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.